Hello, how you doing? I just want to do a short video really as to promote my workshops. I've got evening classes going on 3 nights of the week now and they're full, but I want to move into the afternoons. Who want to do woodworking in the afternoon, roughly from lunchtime, between lunchtime and 4ish, couple of hours, learning how to use planes, learning how to do woodworking, make joints, joint pieces, make things, make pieces. Let me just show you some of the things they make. One of the first things that I get people to make is a mallet. And the reason we make a mallet is because it teaches you plane skills, it teaches you marking out skills. You make it parallel, so you're making a piece of wood parallel, but then you're also making it tapered, and then you have your first go at a joint. And we move on from this, we move on to boxes and things, and then people move on to pieces of their own. And we have things going on like dovetails. Here are a few pieces I've made: chair, stool, Chippendale table, laminated stool. I make things for Michelin star restaurants, private customers, bits for the shelves for sale sometimes. This piece went to London back in 1991, and actually this piece ended up in the Woodworker magazine. Let me just show you. In the Woodworker magazine in January 93, and there it is. So there's this cabinet, and this cabinet has little catch all made out of ebony, splines, angles everywhere, wonderful pain in the neck joints, good to do. There's my toolbox. So yeah, great environment for learning. Here's some more of my pieces. Great environment for learning, and not just learning, a great environment for good company. I've got pieces, commissions that are on the benches. There's 3 benches here, they're a bit of a mess at the moment. My bench, student benches, but basically those 3 benches get filled. I'm working on some stuff at the moment. We also drink nice tea, whether it's coffee. The guys bring their own mugs, so look, we've got all the guys' mugs here, and it's just a bit of a community spirit, feel good stuff. It's not just about those hours, it's also about helping people find the right tools to use, the right tools for them. Mental health stuff just comes naturally. I've had problems, people have had problems, so we just chat about things. We have great music on, so the music can be whatever mood you're in, so the music's good, and it's just the best. I love it. The guys love it. I've got people here that have been here 3, 4 years, just over 4 years, 5 years. Keep coming back. Love it. It's a great atmosphere. Focusing on learning, but also slowing everything down, shutting all the rest of the live out, and being able to concentrate and focus on that. It's a meditation. It's wonderful. So if you're local to Stourbridge, whether you're Hagley, Bromsgrove, Dudley, wherever, not far away. I had one guy, he was coming from the top end of Staffordshire, so he was coming 40 minutes drive every Wednesday night to then go 40 minutes back. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. Not far from the middle of Stourbridge. Send me a message. I'm on social media. I've got email address as well, jam.hub73@gmail.com. Go on there and send me a message. My number's on social media, jam.73e. Find me, message me. If you want to do it, afternoons, it's happening. So get in quick before they fill up. Cheers. Bye. Look how green that is. That is nettle tea and honey. Look at the green. Wow. That's going to be good.